The little game trail I saw, trucks parked over here. We're camped across that way. They're in Blue Lakes. But I was looking across. Man, let out with a big sneeze. Across from the Narrows where we're staying, my truck's parked right down below. Saw an interesting, like a game trail that comes up here with this little clump of a forest. I thought I'd see if I'd walk up here a little ways, maybe about go as far as I can. Got to be careful, there's a lot of poison oak. But there must be some deer up here. Possible structure, if I can find any, I'm not sure, but I'll play it by ear. Gotta fix my hiking pole the other way. Okay, I'm done. So I'm not going to be after very long, but more for curiosity. So it's not hard to walk here. It's not what you would call a made path or manufactured path, but it's like a game trail path. It's pretty wide too, so it looks like I might be able to hike back here a little ways. Let's see what's up. So it's like I say, it's all hardwood forest here. There's some tree breaks over here. Whether it's there by accident or by purpose, I don't know. Maybe to keep people from out of here, I'm not sure. But it got my curiosity. Seeing right above the road. But I'm going to take a real quick look, see what I can see. This is the kind of forest you see a lot in the Midwest. But California has quite a few out in the foothills. These are the inland coastal hills in the border between Mendocino and Lake County. You see, this area was almost hit by fire last year, and they cut it off just about a quarter mile up the road, and they stopped the fire. Highway 20 stopped the fire as well. So anyway, nobody's paying attention to what's going on over here. They're all down there by the lake on the rope swing. But it was time for me to take a little small journey over here. So this is looks like mostly madrone tree. All madrone tree back in here. It's a pretty little area. Might be a good place to hunt if you're a hunter, for grazing deer or elk. Two of the elk comes down here too. I find it beautiful. I want to take a few snapshots while I'm at this, since I do have my camera with me. So if you don't mind, I'll take some quick snapshots of the area while I'm here. Kind of forest we have, madrones all over the place. Hardwood every which direction we turn. But what I want to catch my eye is if I can find some real absolute structure here. It reminds me of the forest that my buddy in Show Me Sasquatch, Missouri, the kind of forest that he hikes through not far from his house at Springfield, Missouri. See how these have vines? I think they're like sucker vines that come climbing up these trees. Make it very interesting. Make it like an enchanted forest. I don't have the right hiking shoes on, but I do have these quasi sandals with tread on them. But like I'm not going to get too ambitious this evening. But sometimes the best time to go hiking is in the early evening, because you can see deer and other wildlife coming down to feed in the meadows. What a pretty forest. Really pretty forest. Over there, what we got over there? I'm going to take my sunglasses off because it's obscuring my vision big time. I can see better now. Much better. Yeah, I can see what's going on over there. Yeah, I can see what's that. Tree stumps everywhere. It almost looks like an animal over there. I mean, like a deer or a young buck. Boy, I should have had my long pants. It's gonna be scratchy. Pretty forest. Very peaceful over here. Not gonna get too deep, but I gotta avoid that. The poison oak, for sure. Go back a little ways and see what's up. I can feel itchy already. Itchy. Yeah, here, watch this. Looks like the game deer have come through here and grazed here. As I see this padded down area of grass, that's like an interesting little marker of some sort. See, I won't go back there any further because it's pretty thick. But this is interesting. Looks like a piece of sign for me to get a picture of. This might be giving me some idea of the area might be visited by our forest friends up here in the hardwood forests of Northern California. Over there, I should probably have a different setting. You see, I have it on auto right now. I don't know if I should put it on subdued light. It might be better on subdued light because it is subdued light. Let me see if we got it over here. Yep. Very interesting. Very interesting. You have to excuse me for that thermos is banging while I'm walking, but I need to keep the water on me. I don't have a camelback, so I'm going to walk back over this way because there's another trail that opens up off to the right. Might be a little more accessible for me. Boy, it makes me itch. I'm just so itchy right now. Just thinking about poison oak. I don't want to psych myself out. Psych. I gotta watch out if there's any rattlers over here too. Be quite aware of these guys. Okay. Careful. They're more likely to come down where the water is, the creeks, because that way they can get water at sundown. When the people aren't out, they don't get freaked out and scared away. This is interesting how the tree just straight up fell down, man. I get service. Let me see. It's like this place got a little torched last year. Just threatened, but not completely torched. But you can see the little underbrush got singed. Thank God it didn't get completely burnt down. Thank God. I'm underneath this big like an oak tree to me. Let me adjust this camera. Okay. I brought my little headlamp just in case it gets a little too dark. Just in case, you never know. Well, like I said, I'm not going to be too ambitious today. I'm sticking closer to family. And wow, these little stickers are killing me. They're all about really sticking the crap out of me. I have to pick these guys off of me later on. Oh my God, it's up there by back of my knee and it hurts like hell. Watch. That's the biggest deterrence from hiking with shorts on. That's a no-no. I'm aware of that too. I always wear long pants when I hike off trail. aim non-trail. I don't trust getting poison oak. I mean, there's an area up here that light veered off. I gotta do something about this water bottle. Okay. So here's some more broken limbs. I think the foresters came through here and started cutting some wood when the fire was burning to get ahead of the fire last year. And I think they made their mark here. Look at all these singed branches. This is last year. This is from last May and June 2018. I'm here today on, I think today's the 14th of September. It's around 6 p.m. So, like I say, it's not going to get too ambitious. I could walk back there a little more, but all those little burrs and the foxtails are tearing me up. So I'm going to probably stay a little closer down here to the bottom. It hurts like heck, man. Those things hurt like heck. Yeah. It's all about wearing the right clothes. I could always come back up here another time, but at least I know it's worth exploring. Absolutely worth exploring. Let me go through this little game trail here. More madrone trees here. And black oak. Interesting little outcropping up here. Somebody left a water bottle. That's nice. Somebody's been exploring up here besides me. Probably going up to that